Home Remedies presents. Place this mixture in the house corners and get rid of cockroaches forever. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a super remedy to get rid of cockroaches from your home. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Cockroaches in the home is nasty. They hide in dark places and at night walk around. Disgusting for the sight and also spread illnesses. We remove them with many items made by companies, but they have chemicals and can cost a lot. Do not endanger the health of the family. Here you will see the best mix prepared with items in the home already. Try my simple DIY anti-cockroach solution. It's efficient and cheap. Borax or boric acid and sugar. Borax is one of the very few things that will keep you safe from cockroaches. Boric acid versus borax. Both have boron, so it doesn't really matter, but boric acid seems to have a higher concentrate and is also a finer powder, so it's hard for the roaches to eat or step around it. How to use it? Borax destroys cockroaches by dehydrating the exoskeleton and damaging bugs' digestive system. Say goodbye to those disgusting cockroaches. Add sugar for a better effect. Cockroaches like sugar and that's an easy way to trap them. Go for a high concentration of the poison, that is 3 parts borax to 1 part sugar. If you are using boric acid, then mix 2 parts boric acid to 1 part sugar. Put your gloves on. Place the boric acid in places where the roaches crawl around, so they step on the powder during their travels. When they get to their nests, they will clean themselves by licking it off and effectively poison themselves. Clean up the mess next morning and repeat again. Your home will be cockroach free within a few days. If you cannot find borax or boric acid, then baking soda also work well. Grab your baking soda and make some roach traps by mixing a 50% baking soda with 50% something yummy like sugar, honey, jelly, peanut butter or juice. Leave it where the roaches can find it. It's not as effective as borax or boric acid, but it's natural, and who does not have a box of baking soda lying around? Caution: do not use borax if you have small children or pets. Try these home remedies yourself and you will never call the exterminator again. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.